तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है, करने दो ना मेरे फेवर में। अच्छा ही है ना अगर लोग प्यार कर रहे हैं। बट जेन्युइनली मैं बताना चाहता हूँ, इट्स नॉट कि आई डोंट लाइक लव स्टोरीज, आई थिंक थोड़ा मिस इंटरप्रेट है। इट्स जस्ट दैट द काइंड ऑफ पर्सन आई एम, आई एंजॉय कॉमेडी मोर बिकॉज आई वुड लाइक टू बिलीव आई एम अ बॉय। तो मुझे एक्शन बहुत अच्छा लगता है, लव स्टोरीज भी बहुत अच्छी लगती है, एंड आई सी अ लॉट ऑफ देम बिकॉज ऑफ माई डॉटर नाउ, ऑल ऑफ देम। वो क्या है, 21 days, 27 dresses, 13, सब चीज़ें देख चुका हूँ मैं, और मुझे बहुत खूबसूरत लगती हैं। एंड आई जस्ट टेल यू अ मोमेंट, मैं यही गाना कर रहा था, एंड फॉर मी द मोस्ट टचिंग मोमेंट ऑफ द फिल्म इज कि मैं कर रहा था तो इम्तियाज़ ने कट नहीं कहा। And after I finished singing as much as I remembered, just like Dada, the lyrics as many as I could remember, Imtiaz came and shook my hand and he said, you know, it's really nice. आप अभी भी प्यार वैसा ही करते हो जैसे आपने शुरुआत की थी. It's really nice to see you like that. I feel these things. I genuinely do. It's not that I'm acting it out. Of course, I feel being bad also in movies. I feel being other scenes also. But I guess something just works in this. By some chance, some of the films that I've done, which have been love stories, have done so well, and people have loved them for so many years. I think एक ऐसा माहौल सा बन गया है. I like it. I love doing love stories. मुझसे उस दिन हम जब फिल्म शूट कर रहे थे, अनुपमा चोपड़ा ने पूछा था कि आप again lover बन रहे हो. I'm no longer a lover. I am love. I genuinely feel that in a good way. I'm not being pompous. I am love. I feel it. I understand. I like to analyze it. I like to sense it. And somehow that comes through, I guess, in the movies. And I'm very fortunate that you have a director like Imtiaz. You have an actress like, because I'm very shy. So if you have a friend like Anushka with you, it helps open up. You have music directors and composers who are giving it so much more than I can perhaps bring to the table. So it's a fortunate effort of my team. I think they also like making love. They just
I'm
don't say
sure
it.
we all do.
Hi, Shahrukh.
Shahrukh bhai, towards your left यहाँ पे. Shahrukh bhai, what is the news for the Diplo news? उसका क्या news है? I mean, when's going to
Sorry?
the Diplo song जो आने वाला है?
उसका-
What's the news about that?
Dada and him have collaborated. मैं LA में था, मैं सुनकर आया, और I think it's just been given its final touches now. अभी वो हो गया है, तो Dada will tell you about it.
Well, that song is going to come next, and it's a very exciting song because Diplo का एक track था Pinchos Agony बोल के, the instrumental, the drop was very very exciting. इम्तियाज जब वो drop सुना तो बोला कि we want to use that in the film, in that track. Then I composed on that track, and then after then Irshad Bhai wrote his favorite line, "Pur." So and the "Pur" works very well with the drop, because you know it's so much to the film, and also it has a lovely sound and ring to it. So after doing that, after the composition, Mohit dubbed, and then we sent the entire dubs back to Diplo, and again he produced it and again sent it back. So there's a collaboration in like it should happen is going on. We are just going up and down on tracks, and I'm very very happy to collaborate with Diplo,
And the song comes in a place which is, I don't know if I'm saying the right word, but coming of age, feeling of freedom. As a matter of fact, the direction that Imtiaz had given us during the song, it's basically a song about Anushka's character flying free, coming of age, realizing that there is more to life than she has experienced, and it's like a flight she takes off. हमको बार बार इम्तियाज बोलते थे, it's like बेहोशी का आलम, मदहोश हो जाए जब आदमी. So I think that's what it kind of signifies in the film. And purr is फुर, आई थिंक उड़ने को बोलते हैं, हवा में फुर हो जाता है. सो शी इज फ्लाइंग. बहुत बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग गाना है, और मैंने छोटा सा वीडियो के अंदर पार्ट भी करके आया हूँ, ये वाली स्टेप. ऐसा ऐसा बड़ा कूल स्टेप करके आया हूँ मैं, ऐसा ऐसा करके वहाँ पे.
Hi, Shahrukh. To your right. Here, Neha from Bollywood now. Here.
Hi,
Hi.
Neha.
अच्छा, किसी ने अभी कहा कि girls want a boyfriend like Shahrukh. बीवियाँ ऐसे बोलती है, आप शाहरुख जैसे रोमांटिक क्यों नहीं हो? कभी गौरी ने आपसे कुछ कहा है कि आप अनरोमांटिक हो? How are you? Are you a romantic husband?
यार मैं ठीक ठाक हूँ. आई थिंक मेरा सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर अच्छा है. अभी मैं बड़ा शाय हूँ यार ये बातें करने के लिए, बट आई थिंक आई एम गुड कंपनी. I'm good company, I think. I can make you smile, make you laugh, listen to what you say. Yeah. I think, कैसे बोले यार? Yeah, I'm good.
Hi, Preetam. Preetam,
अरे मुझको शर्मिंदा मत करो यार, तुम प्लीज, मैं बड़ा शाय हो जाऊंगा मैं. नहीं, ऐसा कभी भी नहीं हुआ है. बस एक बार जब बाजीगर में मैंने छत से लड़की को फेंका था, उसके बाद उसने अपना मुंह नहीं खोला. ये जोक है प्लीज, हाँ, इसको रॉन्ग मत लीजिएगा. हाँ, जो भी.
शाहरुख सर, ऑन योर राइट.
मैंने उसको बोला मैं अपने रोल्स बड़ा फीलिंग से करता हूँ. ये ऐसे ही जोक है प्लीज, हाँ, कोई भी बुरा नहीं मानना इसको प्लीज. बिल्कुल जोक है, प्योर जोक, #जोक.
प्रीतम, मेरा आपसे सवाल है. माय क्वेश्चन इज टू यू. दिस इज शिल्पा. थोड़ा सा अलग है. रिसेंटली ऋषि कपूर ने एक इंटरव्यू में कहा था कि अनुराग बसु को
ये बिगिनिंग ऑफ द
मेरे ख्याल से ये थोड़ा सा नहीं, बहुत ज्यादा अलग है. इतना ज्यादा अलग है
अच्छी बातें कर लो यार.
इतनी अलग
उसके लिए मैं अवेलेबल हूँ बाहर, लाइक आफ्टर दिस, और यू कैन कॉल मी एनी टाइम, एनी टाइप ऑफ थिंग.
शाहरुख सर, ऑन योर
Imtiaz,
राइट.
Justin here towards your right, near the bar. I mean here.
या जस्टिन, हाय.
Imtiaz, when you're working with Shah Rukh, especially in a romantic film and shooting a romantic song, is there a temptation to use the typical Shah Rukh Khan-ness that the audience has been used to for over 25 years?
Well, I was very aware and also made aware of the typical Shah Rukh-ness when I went to shoot. I have known him personally also over years, so I had already an impression about this man and this actor. I've also seen many of his films and admire them and admire him as an actor. But when I was working, I wasn't either trying to create that Shah Rukh-ness or trying to tell him to not come up with it. Because I realized that the Shah Rukh-ness is a byproduct of the Shah Rukh. And it's unnecessary and kind of stupid to tell him not to be himself. Actually, we didn't worry about it at all. And yes, I'm glad that you asked that question. It's a smart question. It's the honest truth is that I was made aware of it, but I didn't either find it, nor did I combat with it, nor did I try for it.
Shah Rukh, also just continuing, did you miss the quintessential stretching of arms pose in the film? Because we have seen it film by film that you do it.
I think, Justin, it's oversimplification. You know, it's a thing now. As a matter of fact, I would myself play to the galleries when I'm supposed to do that. It's not something I do because that makes me or breaks me. You know, I've done it in a few films, and it's become a thing. You know, it becomes like a mannerism of an actor. If I'm told in a film, actually no director ever tells me ऐसा नहीं करना. Because they know मैं ऐसा नहीं हूँ कि छूटते ही हाथ फैला देता हूँ. मतलब क्या सेट पे आते हाय एक्शन, ऐसा थोड़ा है. मतलब so मैं ऐसा करता नहीं हूँ. कभी कभार मजाक में या जैसे फारा हैं डायरेक्ट कर रही हैं, शाह we'll do that. As a joke we sometimes say okay, we'll do it in the film, and you know it's been a long time. I think if a character of Rais is not meant to do it, I'm not going to break out into it. I think given the parameters of commercial cinema that I act in, I still try to retain the characterization as strongly as I can, knowing the fact that the star sometimes overrules the character. But in my heart, I'm still an actor, however small, minuscule, or unimportant part as an actor in a film. So I don't give vent to कि मैं ये करूँगा. अभी वो ज़रूरी नहीं होता. Fan के अंदर, it is meant to be. He's a fan of the motive of a star called Aryan Khanna, who's perhaps Shah Rukh Khan, but not necessarily in every film. यार ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरे को हाथ बांध के रखने पड़ते हैं कि हाथ बांधे रखो वरना खोल देगा. ऐसा नहीं है.
Shahrukh sir, on your right, sir.
Shahrukh sir,
On your right. This is
Anushka?
Sonal from Midday. Sir, on your right. Here. Hi. Sir, actually, you became a guest editor for one of our sections called The Guide. You know, and it was received